Welcome back to another video. So I've got some friend mail today. I've actually got two lots of friend mail. I'll try and fit them both in this video, but if not, I'll just do one. Right, so this first lot is of the one and only Just Your Nail Addict. I'm not going to read what she's put on the envelope. Look at this cord. I love how the corners are cut off. Beautiful, nice spring cord. That'd look pretty on a nail. Do you know, I look at everything different now. Just over a year ago, before I started nails, that would have just been a cord to me. But now, I look at things like this and I'm like, that'd look nice on a nail. But, I'm not going to read it. It's nothing fancy pants. It just says that I'm the nicest human being in the world. And that she wishes she could just be just like me. That's pretty much all it says. Right, so it looks like first we've got some washi tape. Look at this. You are my sun, moon and all my stars. Oh, I think it was Sammy Joe Nails I seen with some of these. Let me open it. Yeah, Sammy Joe Nails I seen with some of these little skinny mini washi tapes. And I thought they were well cute. And she sent me some. Right, so we've got some glittery ones. So that's like a gold, a silver, and that's like a gunmetal grey kind of one. I really like them. Really, really skinny mini little. You could do all sorts with them. So we've got them little glittery ones. And then there's this one. Aren't they cute? This one says something. Some days you have to be what? Oh, right, see if you can see it. It says, some days you have to create your own sunshine. It's really difficult to show you. That's cute. Right, quickly. This one looks a bit like antique kind of tape, doesn't it? I like it. And that one's just got like, it's really difficult to show you, but that's skinny. The camera can't focus on them. Oh, that one's pretty. It's got like pinky purple foil on it. That's cute. And then this one's got squares on it. I really, really like these. So we've got all them. Look how many's there. We've got all them. Leave them there. Right, then we've got some glitter. So first we've got pink mylar. It's got a lovely colour shift. I really like that. That's very, very cute. Then we've got some chameleon glitters. So that's like a purple. And it goes to like a goldish kind of colour. So yeah, it's just a hex mix. I like that. I like this because it's got the fine glitter in there as well. And then we've got a green one. Is that one a chameleon? I'm not sure if that's chameleon or not. I think it is. It's just hard to show you the shift on that one. It's quite subtle shift, that. And then we've got this, it's like a copper colour and it shifts to like a purple. Again, it's really difficult to show you. Yeah, so we've got those. Oh, what's this? Oh, she sent me some of these. These are from, oh, I need to get it right, Queen of Decals. Queen of Decals these are from. How smart are they? Look. Ooh. Love them. It says on her finger here, look, shut the F up. I love that. Love that. Barbie bitch. Yes. Yeah, Queen of Decals they're from. So we've got that. Right, everything else now that she's sent me is from Nail Stamping Queen UK. So there's these purple strips. These are the kind of strips that you can bend around designs. So that's from Naiil Stamping Queen. Ooh, they're a nice colour, aren't they? So we've got them. And then we've got these leopard print stickers. Blue ones. Really like them. They are so cool. I say this is from Naiil. This is from Naiil, but all this stuff from Naiil Stamping Queen, all this, she's actually bought me. I'd just like to say, yeah, it's not, well, it is from Naiil, but she bought me all this. She asked me if there was any that I quite liked. And I said, oh yeah, that's nice, and that's nice. 2 foils and stickers. So all this, the rest of it, I didn't know about. Right, I'm not going to pull all these foils out the foil. Yeah, we're not going to pull all these foils out the foil. I'm not going to pull all these foils out the bags because there's a shit ton of them. And you can pretty much see them. So that's like a marbly one, isn't it? With bits of gold on it. Oh my gosh, there's so many. And then there's this one. Some of these are so cool. Wow, look at that. It almost looks like wood, doesn't it? Cool. And then this one, wow. Some of these are so pretty. Love that. I think these are the 2 that I said I liked. These 2. It's like water marble, that one, isn't it? Yeah, I think these were the 2 that I said I liked. Beautiful. And then she's bloody took it upon herself to get all these. So I'll show you some of these at the same time. These are like water paint kind of effect, aren't they? They're really cool. I've got a nail missing. I snapped it. Ignore these nails as well. These random nails are just wear tests that I'm doing for some nail gel polish. So ignore them. Oh, look at that one. That would be cool for some sunset nails, wouldn't it? Again, that's like watercolour. It's even got, like it's on a canvas. It's got that little, how can I say it? You know what the material a canvas is made out of? It even looks like that. Really like that. And then this is a blue one again. That's like maybe you could even, that'd even look like alcohol ink, kind of, wouldn't it? And then this one, it's a bit psychedelic. These are really unique. This is what I love about Naiil Stamping Queen. She does have a lot of foils that I've seen before, but she's also got a hell of a lot that I've never seen. Right, I'm going to have to take, no, I'm not going to take them all out of the bags. You can see them. So this is a nice flowery one. I've not seen that one before. Oh, look at this one. This is like paint splatters. That's cool, isn't it? Wow. Right, then I think these are all flowery ones now. Well, this is not a flowery one. I've wanted one of these for ages. You can get these in pink and black as well, that I really like. I don't think she's got them in pink and black though, or else I would have got them. That's nice, isn't it? I really like that. And this one, gold snakeskin. Well, it's more like a copper than a gold, isn't it? That is so cool. She's got loads of snakeskin print ones at the minute, Naiil Stamping Queen has. Look at this one. It's got giant butterflies on it, but it's on a transparent backing. It's all holographic, outlined. That's so cool. You could put them over 2 nails, like put half of it on that nail, half of it on that nail. Look at all these, bloody hell, Joe. This is a flowery one. Is it flowers? Yeah, they're roses, aren't they? Yeah, they're roses. That one. Some of these are really dainty and cute. That's nice. Cute. I like the colours on that. This has got white polka dots on it as well. Gorgeous. And then there's this one with roses. That's pretty, isn't it? There's another one with roses. cute. Oh, that's cute. That's got little tiny blue flowers on it as well. That'd look nice with a nude, like a nude base, nude set of nails. Oh, I like the colours in that one. I like that pinky purple in that with the white. Cool. This is a nice one as well. This one's difficult to show you. I'll take this one out the bag, shall I? Oh, that's different. I've not seen one like that before. That's really smart. I like that. That is really, really nice. I do like that. Leave all these in the bags until I put them away because they'll end up everywhere. I really like this one. These would be cool for doing some sort of like tropical jungle kind of nails. These big leaves. Yeah, I like them. Right, there's two more. This one, again, it's got more roses on it. That to me looks like that other one that had polka dots on it. Where is it? No, it's not, it's different. See how they've got white polka dots on? That's got white polka dots as well. Right, and lastly is this one. This is one of them Gucci ones. You see it's got the Gucci logo mixed in amongst the flowers. Again, that'd look really nice on a set of nude nails. It really would. Love that. Right. She's also sent me some of these bumblebees because there's a design that I want to do. And I needed some bees. And she sent me these, look. How cute are they? And they are tiny little things. They're so much smaller than I thought they were going to be. Can't show you on that. Show you on this yellow nail. Look how small they are. They're tiny, but I love them. Love them. Right, and what she's also sent me, bless her, in the bottom of the box, it says, all the bully breeds just for you. Because she knows we've got Staffordshire Bull Terriers. We've got 3 actually. We did have 4 and we lost one just over a year ago. Look. Oh. Wow, look at that. He looks like my Jackson. That cheeky one looks like my Sky. My Sky's black. She's white, but she's got a black dot on her bum. Ooh, look at that one. The British Bulldog. I love them. I'm going to find somewhere really smart to put them. I don't know where, but they're so cool. I love them. Right, how long is the video? Oh, I'm going to have to leave it there. I've got another friend mail. I'll do that on another time. I need to get all these foils put away now. And these are getting saved for my nails. Without a doubt. Without a doubt, they're getting saved for my nails. Summer, I'm thinking. Some bright neon pink summer nails with that on. But yeah, guys, that is it for today. I'll leave the link below to Nail Stamping Queen. She sells loads of stickers and stuff as well, like this. And these, it says not quite right. She sells these for pennies because apparently they are not quite right. And it's probably because it's got a little lump on the line there. Can you see? Like anybody's ever going to notice that. Can you see how some of them are not quite crisp? So that's why she sells them dirt cheap. But yeah, I'll leave the link below. I keep repeating myself now, don't I? Go over and check her out. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Hit that little bell as well, so you never miss an upload. I've lost my bag now. And hopefully, I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.